You've probably seen animations that look extremely smooth, clean, and professional. But when you try to make the same animation, it doesn't feel smooth at all. It looks boring and basic. Today, I'll show you how to make extreme smooth animations in a light motion, step by step. Open a light motion. Create new project. Click on plus icon and add your object. Place your object in screen where it looks good. Next, create a simple animation. To create animation, click on Move and Transform option and add keyframes at first position. And move the object where you want it on the screen. Now move forward on timeline and add a second keyframe to animate your object. Now you can see our basic animation is ready, but doesn't look smooth. To make it smooth, go between the two keyframes, then click on Graph option and select Smooth Graph and adjust it according to your animation. Now you can see our animation is getting smooth, which looks smooth, clean, and professional. To make it extreme smooth, again, click on Move and Transform option. And increase the distance between the two keyframes, which make our animation more good. From this technique, we know more distance between two keyframes equal to more smoothness, and now you can see the results. This is before, and this is after.